What is protein bar? Protein bars with a high protein ratio are delicious snacks, usually formed by the combination of nuts, oat and fruit components, and included in the category of sports snacks, which may have additional protein content. People who develop themselves about healthy life, those who are engaged in healthy and balanced nutrition, and of course athletes prefer protein bars to colorful packaged and additive products that we are accustomed to seeing in the markets. Because the content of protein bars are produced by keeping an average nutritional value by examining the nutrients to be taken daily. So you can get nutrients that may be beneficial for you with the help of protein bars. Prominent among these are protein, followed by healthy fats, carbohydrates, fibers, vitamins and minerals. Making protein bar at home. Making protein bars at home is actually really easy. In addition to the 3 recipes we will share with you below, you can find protein bar recipes suitable for many different tastes on the internet. We will be answering the question of how to make a protein bar with our recipes. Enjoy your homemade protein bars already. 1. Oat protein bar recipe: 2 cups gluten-free oats. 1 cup mashed banana. 2/3 scale vanilla whey protein powder. 1/2 cup lightly melted peanut butter. 1/2 cup dried cranberry. 1/2 cup coconut grater. 1/2 cup crushed almonds. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. 1.5 teaspoons cinnamon. 1 teaspoon vanilla. Fabrication. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees. Grease a square baking tray. Mix all ingredients well in a large mixing bowl. Take the mixture into the tray you grease. You can put a little more coconut grater on them. Bake the mixture in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Occasionally, you can check the cooking status and get your protein bar from the oven. 2. Non-baked vegan mint chocolate protein bar recipe: 1 cup of date palm. 1 cup almond and cashew mixture. 3/4 measure vanilla soy protein powder. 1/4 cup cocoa. 1/2 teaspoon mint flavor syrup. 2 tablespoons of almond milk. 1/2 teaspoon sea salt. Fabrication. Puree dates in a food processor. Add nuts to dates and mix a little more. Add all the other ingredients and mix the mixture again with the food processor. Take the mixture in a 23 by 23 cm container and cover it with a stretch film. Put the mixture in the freezer and let it sit for 15 minutes. Then you can take the mixture out and cut it to the size you want. They are recommended to be consumed on the same day. 3. Strawberry protein bar: 3 large strawberries. 3 tablespoons of coconut flour. 1/2 whiskey strawberry whey protein. 1/4 cup almond milk or regular milk. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. For over 4 square dark chocolate and hank. Fabrication. Mix all the ingredients together in a food processor. Cut the mixture into bar pieces and shape. Aluminum foil on a tray or plate. Melt 4 pieces of dark chocolate bars you prepare with chocolate bars. Place the bars you covered on the foil. Put strawberry slices on top of each bar. Then throw the plate in the freezer and wait for them to freeze. They are recommended to be consumed on the same day. You can enrich your homemade protein bars according to your taste. It is recommended to consume the bars without cooking process on the same day.